Yeah, so about in end of May, his
Sure.
creatine went up to a 5.1,
Okay.
and the doctor had ordered a kidney biopsy.
All right.
In the small sample that they took, they got 19 cells, and 16 and 19 were dead.
Okay.
And
So
the result,
yeah, so he's got some. What we're looking at here is diabetic end-stage renal failure. Okay. Now, what you can do there, you're looking at a situation here where his blood sugars have gotten out of whack for way too many years. It's caused the glomerular tissue to die. Okay, and so what do you do? Well, it's not just the blood sugar that does this; it's actually also the insulin levels that do it. So you have to work to bring down insulin. Now, because he's already in renal failure, okay, it's going to get it's difficult to start him on some of the medications that will bring the blood sugars down safely. But there are a couple, three things that you can do to protect the structures that are already there. Now, we talked about high dose folic acid and taurine. Okay, that's precisely what he needs to do. Folic acid starting dose would be 5,000 micrograms or 5 grams of the stuff a day. Okay, 5 milligrams it is. And the other thing that you need to do is the taurine. Again, 500 milligrams 3 to 4 times a day, and then increase the dosage from there. That will help protect the function that he still has and may give him some function back. But in the meantime, okay, we need to work to bring his insulin level down. So how do you do that? You can do it, oddly enough, with vanadium and chromium. Okay, because it sensitizes the cells to insulin in a way that will not compromise renal function. So first thing, folic acid. Along with that goes taurine. Wait a few weeks and then add some vanadium sulfate or vanadyl sulfate is actually the way you'll find it, and chromium polynicotinate. Start off modestly, go slow, and then kick it up. You can often see an improvement of renal function in 3 to 4 weeks, and that's kind of what you look for. He's never going to be perfect by any stretch, but it should help protect his beans in the meantime.